What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video I want to share with you guys exactly how I was able to live in my condo for 4 years and get paid around $600 a month to live there. This is the building that I lived in right here on the second floor, and check out the Jeep. But yeah, let's go inside. I want to share with you guys how I was paid $600 a month to live there for 4 years consecutively. Every month I would get paid 600 bucks, and I want to share with you guys how you're able to do the same thing. You can do this over and over. There is no limit to how much you can do or how many times you can do it. But yeah, let's go inside, and I want to share with you guys exactly how I did it. Alright, so I didn't want to take the elevator with those people because I'm recording. So we took the stairs, and it's only the second floor, so not too much of a walk, but let me show you guys. Welcome home. Hello, beautiful.
Hi, babe.
It's my wife, Sarah. You guys have seen her before. In the previous video, me and her were riding that ATV, and we had a blast. But yeah, let me share with you guys how we were paid $600 a month for 4 years to live in this beautiful condo. Okay, so I'll give you first a quick tour of the place.
How does it look?
This is a room that could be used as a bedroom or an office. It's also got pocket doors on both sides that come out and close just for some privacy. And our view was of the back area. Pretty nice. That's a pool house, and this year it wasn't open due to COVID, but it was nice. We got to enjoy that for a few years and had some fun there. This is our balcony. We used to have our grill right here. This is the bathroom. So, shower in there, and this is the bedroom. Really good size. It feels really nice and open. And we actually did a good amount of remodeling in this place. This whole place was carpet. The bedroom, this entire place was carpet. Let me show you guys. So the carpet was in the bedroom, so this whole area was carpeting. This area, the hall, and the bathroom were all this old tile. This whole place was all carpeting. We redid the entire kitchen, put in new appliances, put granite countertops. We added this bonus room as well. This wall would stop like somewhere over here, so we added a little bit of wall here, and then this section of wall to be able to put in the doors. And there used to be a doorway here that would lead into the kitchen, so you'd be able to walk from here into the kitchen, but we ended up closing that off to be able to put this second room in here. And in total we spent about $12,000 to renovate this place, which seems like a high number for a smaller condo, but we did go with hardwood floors. We painted the entire place. Like I said, we added that room, redid the entire kitchen, which includes new cabinets, new countertops, new appliances. We also moved the pantry around a little bit. These closet doors were all the old school doors that were like mirrors. So we replaced them with these nice modern looking doors. The bathroom actually used to be super old. We put in a new granite top. We put in a nice new vanity. Redid the entire thing with marble tile, which was nice. Same thing, we redid this entire thing with hardwood floors, new baseboards, the whole thing. So basically the way that my wife and I and our kids were paid $600 a month to live here is because of the price that we purchased the condo, the amount of money we put into it, and what we recently sold it at. I'll go over the numbers when I get back to my desk and share with you guys exactly how we were able to do that. But basically we bought the condo, for example, at $100,000, put $12,000 into it, and then sold it for close to 140. So if you divide the difference that we profited over the amount of time that we lived here, is the amount of money that we would have made on a monthly basis, and that's what we're going to make when we do sell it. So that is the way that we were able to make that amount of money every month, like I said, if you were to divide it up. And you guys could do the same thing. If you find a property, something that's a little bit more distressed and needs a little bit of work, and put some sweat equity into it and do the work yourself, you can turn around and sell it for a profit, and keep on doing that. And I'm personally into buying and holding, and I do want to get into that here very soon. God willing, this sale goes through smoothly. We want to start, my wife and I want to start getting into buy and hold properties, which is you buy a building, a 4-flat building, a 6-flat building, or a 2-flat building, whatever it is, and rent it out for a monthly profit. And I'll go into a whole separate video of that, and I'll take you guys along when we go look at properties and that kind of thing. But yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys how we were able to get paid to live here and why real estate is a beautiful thing. We enjoyed this gorgeous condo for 4 years, sold it for a profit, and are able to use the money from the sale of this condo to finance the next home that we're going to be moving into, which I will take you guys along when we go look at homes, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to this video for more. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.